Welcome back to the Northland Beat. Today we're spotlighting RevSync Plus, Revcord's AI-powered platform that modernizes any recorder without replacing the equipment you already rely on. Many PSAPs still use legacy or third-party loggers that weren't designed for AI, analytics, or easy media sharing. RevSync Plus fixes that by acting as a secure bridge between your recorder and Revcord's cloud environment, unlocking ReVI, Revcord's closed system AI engine for transcription, redaction, summaries, QA, and advanced search. Here's what makes it powerful. RevSync Plus works without altering or exposing your existing logger. It ingests audio from third-party systems, archives, radio bundles, and bulk exports, then encrypts and transfers everything through a single outbound only TLS 443 connection, meaning no inbound ports, no VPNs, and no firewall exposure. Recordings move into Revcord's CJIS aligned triple redundant storage with full TLS protection and AES 256 encryption at rest. All processing stays inside ReVI's closed AI environment, never public AI models. It also provides browser-based playback even for systems that usually require VPNs or proprietary players, giving you immediate access to audio, transcripts, and redacted files, regardless of the original recorder. And for agencies planning migrations, RevSync Plus can index and manage legacy audio to create a unified archive before you ever switch systems. If you're looking for AI-powered tools, easier media sharing, or a low-risk way to modernize your center, RevSync Plus brings next-generation intelligence to the recorder you already have, securely and without disruption. To learn more, visit our website at northlandsys.com.